In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text vertical in Canva. If you've ever tried to create a magazine style spine, a vertical banner, or a clean sidebar in Canva, you've probably noticed that making text vertical can feel a little awkward at first. A lot of people end up pressing enter after every letter, which takes forever and usually creates uneven spacing. The good news is that Canva gives you a much easier way to do this, and once you know where the tools are, the process is very simple. To get started, open Canva and go to the project where you want to add vertical text. From your homepage, find the design you want to work on and open it so you're inside the editor. Once the project is on screen, click anywhere on the canvas so you can focus on the area where your text will go. Next, move to the left side of the Canva editor and click on Text. In the text panel that opens, select Add a Text Box. Canva will place a new text box directly onto your design. This gives you a fresh text element to work with. And from here, you can type whatever word or phrase you want to turn vertical. Now, for the first method, which is the best option, if you want the whole word rotated sideways, like you might see on a book spine or a modern layout, type your text into the box, then click on the text element so it's selected. Look for the rotation handle near the text box and click and drag it. Rotate the text until it reaches 90 degrees or 270 degrees. This turns the full text box vertically while keeping the letters in their normal order, which is perfect for clean, professional-looking designs. If you want a different vertical style, where each letter sits one under the other, there's another simple trick. Click on the text box again so the side handles appear. Then drag one of the side handles inward, making the text box narrower and narrower. As the box becomes too thin to fit the full word on one line, Canva automatically forces the letters to stack downward. This is useful for decorative text treatments and minimalist layouts. Once your text is vertical, click and drag it into position on your design. As you move it, Canva will show smart guidelines to help you align everything neatly. Use those guides to center the text or line it up with other design elements for a more balanced final result. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if the design is for digital use, or PDF print if it's for something physical. Then click Download to export your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.